my friend. I hope you are doing well. Before that we dive in to this session, I just wanted to tell you something, that why we are uploading the videos like this, since there is a huge gap between the uploading schedule. I just wanted to tell you that at the same time that we are teaching the materials and we are working for ourselves, and since we need our time for trading for the company and for ourselves. That's the reason that we are not here for uh, recording videos every week or every month. So I just wanted to tell you that, and I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry about the inconvenience, but there is nothing I can do for uh, the materials and the videos that we are going to upload. So, as many of you had this question in your mind, I just wanted to show you our process for taking trades. So, if you want to start taking positions, first you have to run your software, right? So, this is the first thing that you can see, and it will be your chart, right? And this is the only thing that we can see. And there is no need for us to using tools or anything like that for taking trades. So this is the only thing that we need for trade. So um, as many of you had this question, I'm gonna answer you like this. So for the start, this is a question that you're gonna ask yourself: from where we can start to monitoring or read the charts, since our strategy is the RTM, which is the short term of the read the chart. So at first, we need to find a pause, or in short, we need to find a kink. And then we're gonna uh, follow all the instructions that I'm gonna tell you in the next videos or sessions. So this is our naked chart, and I'm gonna find a kink for the start. So for example, here I'm seeing a pause in this bear trend, and I'm gonna take it like this. But why I took this one instead of, for example, another one like this one? Because I thought that it hold the price, which it didn't. As you might see here, there is like an abnormality for the king, and I'm not gonna take this one. But I thought that it hold the price. And that is why I took this one instead of this one. So let's take another one. So this is the first step or, uh, of our strategy. So for example, here I can see a pause. As you might see in this trend, we can see a lot of pauses like this one, which is a bigger one, this one, and this one. But I'm gonna take this one for the start as our main key. But why? Why I took this one? You have to ask yourself that why you have to take this one instead of this one or this one. The answer will be so simple. I took this one because the king, it hold the price and it made a low. It's not a new low, as you can see. It didn't pass the other one, the last one, but it hold the price. So for me as a trader, I'm gonna count on this one, and the return and the breakdown of this king, it will be so important for me. So I'm gonna take the breakdown, and this is the result. That was so simple, right? This is the first step that you need to do. and there is no more instructions or explanations for you to keep it in your mind. Just try to do the same action that I did here. I just found a trend, and I found a king which held the price, and this is the result. So let's find another example. For example, here in this trend, we have at least two pauses, right? The first one, the second one. But I'm gonna take this one. But why? We all know the answer, right? From now on, we know the answer because it held the price, and it's so simple. And it should hold the price for over 80 of the king, 80% of the king, which is correct right now. This is the 50%, this is the 60, and this is the 70 or 80, which is totally fine for taking the king. So it held the price, and here it made a new low, which is more important for us. So this king, it has a value for us. So I'm gonna take the break, and of course that we're gonna see the result. This is not the whole strategy, the RTM strategy. This is just the beginning of the RTM. This is the first step, and it will be our first session that I'm trying to teach you the materials. And of course, we're gonna have a lot more explanation on this. And this is the result. It held the price, and it made a new high here. So let's have another example. I will assure you that in this video we will have tons of examples, and you're gonna understand the whole concept. This is another example, and it held the price, and there is no certainty for us to see the result in the return. For example, here we see and we get the result like this. This is the breakdown, and it held the price. But let's find another example. Which we won't get the result like this. For example, let's see. I'm gonna take this one as our king, since it held the price and it's almost over 70 or 80% of the king. And I'm gonna, sorry about that. I think I changed something. So I'm gonna take the break, which is here. So I took it. Now it's time to see the result. You see, we didn't get the result. And that is why I told you this is just the beginning. It's not the whole structure and the whole strategy. Okay. So let's find another example. Of course, that there are tons of examples here. I just want to find the best example possible. I'm gonna take this one. It held the price and it's over 70, 18% of the king. And in return, we have the break. And it held the price really good. You see, it didn't pass the king, the upper side of the king. It held and it worked. And we have a new loop at the end. I'm gonna take the break, which it will be here like this, and somehow it held the price. And it doesn't matter if the price it comes right like 80% of the king or 70 or even 50, it doesn't matter. If it holds the price, that's fine. But for the first part, the first step, it does matter. The price should came over 70 or 80% of the king. So let's find another example. Right now, it should be so easy for you to find the kings, starting kings, right? This is our king. It held the price. And here we have to go to the lower time frame. Let's erase the boxes. Like I cannot see anything. Either we can go to the lower time frame again, or you can take the whole candle, like the thing I just did, like this one. In the break, in the return, I'm gonna take this one, and you see that it held the price. So uh, let's find another example. I see a pause, which is here. Let me show you. It's here, and it held the price. And in return, I'm gonna take the breakdown of the previous kick, and it held the price. So another example. And I think it's not valid for us because the price just passed the king. So I'm gonna delete this one. This one is valid. Okay, that's fine. Like this one. But it's not over 70 or 80, so I'm gonna delete this one. Let's find another example. You see, it came out of the box and it came back in, and it's over 70 or 80% of the king, which is fine. Let's find another example. So, for example, this one, it made a new high, which is important for us. Like this one. Mm, like this one. Like this one. Mm, and I'm gonna ask you a question. And please give me your reason or write me your reasons in the comments of the video. Why I choose this one instead of this one. It is so simple, and you know already the answer, the reasons. But I'm gonna test you if you understand the whole concept or not. So please write me in the comments why I took this one instead of this one. So I think for the first video it will be enough, and I think you are a master in the first step of trading with using RTM, of course. So I'm gonna see you next week. Meanwhile, you have to try and practice a lot. You need to find a lot of kinks, and you need to respect the rules that I just mentioned. For example, the 70 to 80% of the kink. And if we have a new low or new high, these are our rules, and you have to respect all of them. And thank you so much for your time, and I'm gonna see you next time.